Hello everyone, I am Scott Aubrey. I'm the owner of Aubrey Law. Aubrey Law is an estate planning law firm located in Needham, Massachusetts, and I am very excited to be here with you today. And today I'm going to talk about when you need to update your estate plan. But before I get started, if you have any questions about what I talk about today, or any questions about estate planning in general, or if you want to go ahead and update your estate plan, you can go to estateplanningmeeting.com and schedule a time to talk with me for free, either in person or on the phone. Again, it's estateplanningmeeting.com. Go to that website. You'll see my schedule. Pick a time that works best for you, and I'll be more than happy to help you in any way that I can. So today's topic is when you should think about updating your estate plan. So estate planning is one of those things that people put off for a long time. So if you've gone through the process of creating an estate plan, that's great, congratulations. But you need to know that you're not done at that point. In that you want to make sure that you're regularly reviewing your estate plan to make sure that it's still up to date, it still will do what you want it to do, and also to make sure that your fiduciaries are the people that you want them to be. So there's a couple situations you definitely want to review your estate plan. The first being if you have a new child, you want to make sure that your estate plan is worded in such a way that it will account for children that are born after your estate plan was created, because the last thing you want to do is omit a child from your estate plan, because then it could be deemed that you want to disinherit them, and that could be the first thing you want to happen So you want to make sure that your estate plan is drafted correctly to account for afterborn children. Again, another situation, if you're married and you're going through a divorce, you want to make sure that you update your estate plan to remove your ex-spouse from your estate plan, because what you don't want happening is that if you don't update your estate plan and they are either to receive money or they are to act as a fiduciary for you, you want to make sure that the people that you want acting as your fiduciaries are the ones that will do it, not your ex-spouse. Another reason to want to review your estate plan is if it's been a long time. So if you created an estate plan 10, 15 years ago, it's probably a good idea to look through it, make sure it's still up to date, make sure it still does what you want it to do. Also, if you have healthcare proxies and power of attorneys, you probably want to look at those every couple of years just to make sure that the person that you acting as your agent is still that person you want it to be. Also, too, it's probably a good idea to update them just to make sure that they're fresh and they're not stale. And another reason to kind of review and maybe update your estate plan is if something happened in the lives of one of your fiduciaries. The situation would be, say that you chose one of your siblings to be your guardian for your minor children, and at that time they were the perfect choice. It was great, this is what you wanted to happen. But however, maybe they went through certain life changes, maybe they were married at the time, maybe they're going through a difficult divorce, and that maybe they will no longer be the right person to be the guardian if that needed to happen. So you want to make sure that you review your estate plan, look over your fiduciaries, make sure they are still the people that you want to be your fiduciaries, and also make sure that they are still in a place where they would be a good choice for you. Maybe in the situation with the guardian, going back to that one, is if they are going through a difficult time, they may not want the added responsibility of also taking care of your children if the case may arise for that to happen. So really what you want to make sure you do is that any sort of big life-changing event, you want to make sure you go back, look at your estate plan, make sure it's still up to date, make sure it will still do the things that you want it to do. So those are just a couple reasons or situations that you want to look at regarding your estate plan to see if it needs to be updated. So that's all I have for you today. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to hear more from me, you can subscribe to my channel. If you have a question or comment, please leave it in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to answer it for you. And if you know someone that could benefit from seeing my video, please share this with them. And again, you can go to estateplanningmeeting.com and schedule a time to talk with me for free, either in person or on the phone. Again, estateplanningmeeting.com. Go to that website. You'll see my schedule, and I'll be more than happy to help you in any way that I can. Once again, my name is Scott Aubrey. I am the owner of Aubrey Law, and I will talk to you soon.